So here's a transformation question. The first thing we need to do is to transform shape P. It's going to be reflected in the line where x is 1. So here's our x-axis, and here's the value x is 1. So the line where x is 1 is here. It's all of the coordinates where the x value is 1. So what I want to do is I want to take my shape P and reflect it in this line. So here we have now drawn on the line x is 1 to make it slightly easier for us to see where the reflection is going to be. And this is where we now have our shape Q. We then reflect shape Q in the line where y is 0. This is my y-axis. This is the point where y is 0, and this is the line where y is 0. Every value of y on this line is 0. So now I reflect this shape in this line. At this point, I'm ready to finish answering the question. I now need to describe fully the single transformation that changes P to R. So how do I go from P straight on to R? Well, it looks sort of like it's been rotated, so that's what I'm going to suggest we do now, is we get some paper, some tracing paper, so that we can see how to rotate this shape onto R. Once we've drawn around our shape, we're then going to place our pencil down where we think the centre of rotation might be. I'm just going to pop it there. And then we're going to try rotating our paper round. And there I find that it fits nicely. Okay, if yours doesn't fit straight away, don't panic. Okay, if you picked this as your centre of rotation to start with, and as you've rotated your shape round realised it's going to miss, your point just needs to be slightly further across to the left. So if we go back to the start, and then we have another go, we move our pencil slightly further to the left and try again. This is the rotation that maps P onto R. Now we just need to describe that, and we need to be describing this fully, very clearly. So we need to say that it's a rotation 180 degrees, and finally we need to give it centre. So where did I have to put my pencil to rotate that shape? So the centre for this rotation was the point -1, 0.